Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I recently was a guinea pig to a purchase I made online. I was scrolling through one of my social media pages, and a sunglass company by the name of Knockaround glasses scrolled through. And they just happened to have a 20% off sale on top of the prices that they already had on sale. And I couldn't really find any sunglasses that really stuck out to me, other than I got ones that I guess it's more or less when my daughter was growing up. She always had SpongeBob on, and I remember one of my favorite episodes is when they're riding some kind of ghost ship, and SpongeBob is like, "You're good, keep coming, and stop." And the whole time the ship is getting ran by the rocks and big dents in the trip. To me, it was pretty funny. So I got these, and in memory of some memories that my daughter and I made watching SpongeBob, I ordered a pair of Mr. Krab sunglasses. And these are the Krusty Krab sunglasses. And they are made by Knockaround. And that's the side here. The order here. Get a little bit closer here. But that is it there. So we're going to go and open them up, put them on, see what they look like. I mean, I think they were 20 bucks. And I needed a new pair of sunglasses, and they're all scratched up due to lack of wear and tear, or lack of care. Come in this nice little case. And I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to go ahead and show a little bit up close, and I'll do the unboxing on my camera. I'll be right back. So here's a close-up of it. Of course, you got the Krusty Krab logo, stay positive, fresh, stay positive. Knockaround logo, and it comes in this nice little pouch. Oh, look at SpongeBob right there. And these are them here. Got the nice little SpongeBob, the Knockaround logo. Let's go and open these up a little bit. And SpongeBob, the Krusty Krab burger. You know, I was hoping that I thought maybe the way this looked, I thought maybe it'd be the pizza one. You know, the song Krusty Krab pizza is the pizza for you and me. But yeah, so these are them here. Nice little case to clean the lens with. We're going to go and try them on. I'll be right back. I forgot to show you guys a little bit better a close-up of the box here. Yeah, and there's a picture of the photo of the glasses. Knockaround, SpongeBob. Pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and try them on now. All right, so I have the pouch here. I didn't show you the back of this pouch, but you got there here. It says the fresh off the grill with the Krusty Krab burgers. And I remember the ones that I think Squidward ate them and he went right to his thighs. But yeah, so let's go ahead and try them on. Again, nice looking glasses. Something funny. I'm a funny guy. Let's go and try them on. All right, these are them. Not bad. Not freaking bad. Let me guys know what you guys think about these Krusty Krab glasses, SpongeBob, from Mr. Krabs. Again, these are nice. I can't wait to show my daughter these. She's going to be like, what in the heck did you just buy? But yeah, let me know what you guys think of these sunglasses. Again, these are by Knockaround sunglasses. They were 20 bucks. I figured, what the heck, might as well get a pair. But I do enjoy them. Really do like them. It just brings back some memories of my daughter growing up and watching SpongeBob together with her. Again, this is Reviews of Moose. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody have a wonderful day.